Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you a simple way to create a custom prop for GTA 5 and FiveM without needing any modding skills. I'll also show you how to edit the collision of your prop so it works properly in game for both players and vehicles. To begin, we need to find a 3D model that we want to use. For this tutorial, I'll be using a swimming pool model as an example. Once you find a model you like, download it to your computer. Ideally, the model should be in GLB format. If it is in a different format, you may need to convert it to GLB first. Next, go to GTAX.DEV and open the tool called GLB2YDR, which is the prop converter. Upload your GLB file to the website and wait for it to process. In just a few seconds, the website will create a working GTA 5 and FiveM prop. Once the conversion is complete, you can download the files and start editing the prop in its collision. You can freely adjust different values, flags, and other settings to make the prop work exactly how you want. You can also change the size of the prop directly in the editor. You will see two character models that help you compare the scale and get a better idea of how large the prop will look in game. Once everything looks right, we can move on to saving the files and adding the prop to your FiveM server. I'm now in the game, so it's time to test whether our custom prop is working correctly. I'm going to spawn the swimming pool and take a closer look at it. As you can see, the model itself is loading correctly. The texture and the overall shape look fine, and the prop is already usable in FiveM. However, there is one problem. The collision was generated automatically, and in this case, it is not properly matched to the model. When I walk around the pool, you can see that some parts of the collision do not line up with the actual object. In some places, I can walk where I should not be able to, and in other places, I might get blocked by an invisible wall. This is a common issue with automatically generated collisions, especially when the model has an unusual shape or detailed geometry. But there is no need to worry. You do not need Blender, CodeWalker, or any other complicated program to fix it. In the next step, I'll show you how to create clean, professionally fitted collisions in just a few seconds. Without any modding experience or spending hours adjusting objects manually. Now let's fix the collision. Go to GTAX.DEV and open the tool called Prop Collisions Editor. Here, I'm loading the collision file from the prop that I created earlier. As you can see, this prop currently has only one large collision shape. It is basically a big box that sticks out from the model and does not match the swimming pool at all. Let's fix it. I simply delete the existing collision box. Then I use the option called Whole Model. This option automatically creates a collision that matches the full shape of the prop. As you can see, the swimming pool is now covered with a collision that fits its shape much more accurately. And it happens immediately after clicking one button. There is no waiting, no need to watch hours of tutorials, and no need to install Blender or any other external program. Everything is done directly in your browser. It is simple to use, and it is completely free. Now, let's save the updated collision file and see how it looks back in the game. I'm back in the game, and now it's time to test the edited collision. As you can see, it now fits the swimming pool properly, exactly as we set it up on the website. I can walk around and on the pool without invisible walls, getting stuck, or any other collision glitches. Everything matches the model and works as it should. The whole process only took a few minutes from creating the prop to fixing its collision. GTAX.DEV also includes many other useful tools for creating GTA 5 and FiveM props, mods, and other content. No complicated programs, no days spent learning new software, and no endless tutorials. With just a few clicks, you can do everything directly in your browser without downloading external programs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.